My name is Higgs and this is my friend Boson. Welcome to the Higgs world.
Thanks for the introduction, Higgs. In this presentation, our goal is to offer you a quick summary of the research and conclusions. We follow inquiry-based learning model where students take lead in learning.
First, they get a quick review of the research via the videos. Second, they review the paper to learn and understand key concepts. Finally, they can follow up with further research on their own to dig deeper. In the end, students would have learned something new, latest and relevant. Isn't that wonderful, Boson?
Great point, Higgs. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. We want to thank all the authors and publishers for making this research public, thereby advancing science and innovation. Please like, share and subscribe.
Today, we are reviewing a paper titled, A Brief Review of the Science Behind the Design of Healthy and Sustainable Plant-Based Foods. Current food production practices are linked to the high prevalence of some chronic diseases, as well as to appreciable environmental damage. Many consumers believe a plant-based diet is healthier than an animal-based one, which is driving changes in their eating behaviors. As a result of these environmental, ethical, and health concerns, the plant-based food sector is expanding rapidly to meet consumer demand.
That is wonderful information, Higgs. It is important to identify an appropriate blend of plant-derived ingredients to produce a specific plant-based food, such as a meat, fish, egg, or milk analog. These ingredients may be isolated nutrients, such as proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, or minerals, or complex whole materials, such as beans, peas, rice, wheat, mushrooms, etc. One of the major challenges is therefore to assemble these ingredients into animal product analogs.
That is so intriguing, Boson. Plant proteins are commonly used in plant-based foods because of their versatile functional attributes, such as their ability to thicken, gel, emulsify, foam, and hold fluids. In addition, they are an important source of essential amino acids. These proteins can be derived from various botanical sources, including soybeans, peas, faba beans, mung beans, lentils, algae, and microalgae, each with its own unique characteristics.
What is interesting about this analysis is the following. Carbohydrates, such as sugars, oligosaccharides, or polysaccharides, can also be used as functional ingredients to assemble animal product analogs. Plant-derived carbohydrates exhibit different molecular, physiochemical, functional, and biological properties depending on their biological origin and isolation procedures. These ingredients may be used to provide a variety of functional attributes in plant-based foods, including sweetness, thickness, gelling, emulsification, structure formation, stabilization, and fluid holding.
Great point, Boson. Plant-based fats and oils can be economically extracted from various lipid-rich botanical sources, including algae, canola, coconut, cocoa, corn, flaxseed, olive, palm, safflower, soybean, and sunflower. The recent commercial success of plant-based meat products, such as those produced by Beyond Meat and Impossible Foods, has had a profound impact on the modern food industry. Meat analogs are mainly constructed from plant-derived macronutrients. The opaque nature of real meat can be simulated by including particles or fibers with dimensions, 200 to 2000 nanometers, that scatter light strongly.
That is a very important observation. It is possible to simulate the textural attributes of meat products fairly accurately using texturized vegetable proteins, which has led to highly successful commercial plant-based products such as those from Impossible Foods and Beyond Meat. Physiochemical approaches are based on controlling the molecular interactions and organization of plant-derived biopolymers to create meat-like structures.
Plant-derived biopolymers can also be used to form meat-like structures using certain kinds of mechanical processing devices, such as extruders or high-shear cells. Recent reports suggest that human and global health would be greatly improved by replacing animal-based foods with plant-based alternatives. That was an interesting paper providing overview of plant-based technologies. Hope you liked it. Please follow the links to review the research in further details. Please like, share and subscribe.